Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. So I just ordered this from Walmart yesterday because I was looking for the mineral oil. They said to use this mineral oil to use it and then care for the charcuterie cutting board or any other cutting board. So I was just looking around, and then this is the cheapest that I found. And but unfortunately with the Walmart you gotta purchase $35 or more in order to get a free shipping. So yeah, and then I was kind of glad that it's delivered the next day. So yeah, it shows on the website saying deliver tomorrow, which is today. So I'm kind of surprised. I guess that they really want to compete with Amazon. So let's go ahead and open this up, and hopefully we get the right correct items. So from the previous or from the past, I normally order a cell phone and stuff like that. But even though with the cell phone from the past, it takes about a couple of days, not next days. So I'm not sure what is the purpose of all this bubble if you don't tape it right. And with this big box, you got to this white mineral oil. This is Ultra Pro, and 1 gallon. So each of this was like a 17 something. So both of them become like 35 something free shipping, and then the tax on this is like a $3 something. Yeah, so be sure to get the food grade oil, okay? If you're gonna use this for all the cutting board, so you could there's no toxic or anything, so you can eat it with after you apply this on there. Well, yeah, anyway, this is just a quick unboxing for you guys to check it out. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.